Hey, the radio might be talking about Charlie Brown, but I am talking about Shelby 1968. And ain't she a beauty green? I've not quite seen anyone choose this color. Yeah, but it works. It works. Look at it. GT 500 KR. Yeah, 428 Cobra Jet. Wow. Look at that. Let's check inside what we can see. Ooh, that's got a kind of a glare, but you can see roughly if you pay attention. Take a look through the big back window, we will. One reason why I enjoy seeing so many of these things rebuilt, made, and loved is because I knew so many people around the area that I grew up in. I had a ton of these style of vehicles just stuck in briar patches, overgrown forests, just muck even, going to rot. Some of them are still out there even. Ooh, I have a placard. Let's go down. Until next episode, enjoy this beauty.